realize this until this morning when I looked at the charts. Okay. And this is the problem with this. We are now, this is a diagonal M pattern. We have now dumped under this diagonal trend line right here at 88,212. Normally, when you dump under this trend line, there is a target here, guys. And if this is an M pattern, right, we go from the top of the highest peak of the M, take it to the bottom of the trend line. We drag this to the breakout, which we already have, guys. We already have this breakout. Look at where this takes us, 51,903. Okay. I am not saying we are dumping to this level. However, this is not something that I had looked at in the past. And this was right in my face this morning, right? And I know this is trying to curve over, but on the longer time frames, right? If you roll from the 1 day to the 4 day, right? The 4 day is the Stokes are trying to lift up. They're slumping over again. RSI is still headed to the downside. We're still far apart here. Now let's just go to the weekly, right? The weekly looks like this. We might make a huge head and shoulders and then down, said Lorene. We may, but we're not bouncing on that trend line. And that's a problem, right? We needed to bounce on this trend line for me to think that we were going to bounce up, and we didn't. And now we're below it and we can't get above it. We need, ultimately, guy who called 2018 Bitcoin crash, those new targets, 81 and 68K. Look at Coach Maddie. Those are my exact targets. I don't know that guy. I've never heard of that guy. But when you're looking here, I said 80,100, and then right here, right? So guys, this is a problem, right? We're now stuck below this. Ultimately, we need to get back above this at 89,588 for us to even think that we have a bounce here to move up to the upside. Now, this is weekly. We're bleeding this candle to the weekly. Weekly candle ends in 2 days. We open a candle below that level, below that support level, we're in trouble. Okay. The market has never been so leveraged. Yeah, Dan, it's killing the market, right? There are a lot of things killing the market right now, but that is one of the things that is, may you look at the DXY. Yeah, I'll take a look at the DXY. That is one of the things that's killing this market right now.